Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Jasmine, your educator for computer science. So today I am here with another class for Microsoft Excel where I will discuss conditional in formatting. So in conditional formatting, I have entered few information over here. That is item name I have entered, then the region Mumbai, Assam and Chennai. Then I have entered few items over here like headphone, DVD, mini disc and the price. Okay, so now I will do the grand total by using the sum function. Equal, I think everyone knows sum function already. I have discussed in one of my class about sum function. So I will select the cell for which I want the grand total. So equal to sum within bracket I will select the first cell address, then the last cell address. So the first cell address is B2 and the last cell address is D2. So this is how we use the sum function. So my grand total is here, then I will select it and drag and drop it. So for all the cell, the sum function is done. Similarly for Mumbai region, I will select the grand total equal to sum. This grand total is for headphone, this grand total is for DVD, and this mini dish grand total is this grand total 37,964 is for mini dish. So here I will enter sum function for Mumbai region equal to sum within bracket I will select entire price for Mumbai region. So this is for Mumbai region. I will select it, then I will drag and drop it. So now here I will select this one. So this is the grand total. So this is how we use the grand total. So already in my previous class I have discussed how we can do the alignment by using this alignment option. So you can follow that video also. You can learn from that video how we can do the alignment. Okay, so now I will discuss what is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means you want to do, but you want to do or you can do the formatting by giving some condition, by applying some condition. By applying some condition you are doing the formatting, not like that you are giving color to this, you are giving a random color to this, not like that. Okay, you will have to use some condition, that is called conditional formatting. So for example, sometime it is required for your result also. Those who have failed and who have passed, you can filter by using the conditional formatting. Okay, those you can highlight the students who have secured less than 33% in their board exam. By using conditional formatting only you can do this task very easily. Or those who have secured 90 more than 95%, you can highlight with another color so that it is easier to find out who got more than 95%, who got less than 33%. So this is how so this can be done by using the conditional formatting. So before doing conditional formatting, for which cell you want to do the formatting, you'll have to select that particular range. For example, I want to do the formatting for this area only, not for the grand total area. I want to do the formatting for the price of the particular region according to the item name. So for example, Mumbai a headphone, then DVD, then mini dish, for example for Assam also and Chennai also. So I will do accordingly by selecting those cell range only. So after that, go to home tab. In home tab there is style group. In the ribbon area, in the style group there is an option called conditional formatting. Select on that particular area, select highlight cell rules. If I want to highlight the cell by applying some condition, then I will have to select highlight cell rules. In highlight cell rule, what are the option? Greater than. So greater than, for example, I will apply greater than 5,000, less than 5,000, between a range, for example 4,000 to 5,000, equal to. Text that contains exactly, I will have to give some text. Data occurring duplicate values. if you want to find more rules, so from here you can do it. Format only cell that contains exactly, if you want to give some value, for example I want to set 10,000, format only top or bottom ranked value, the lowest one and the highest one. Format only values that are above or below average. You will have to find out the average, and according to that average, above that average or below that average, you can do it from this area here. Above the average, below the average. Format only unique or duplicate values or unique values. You can do from here also. Then use a formula to determine which cell to format. Okay, so this is how we can do the formatting. So this is the highlight. This will only highlight that portion. This will only highlight it. Okay. For example, if you want to enter uh, less than, okay, so for example I will set here less than 5,000, less than 5,000. So in this particular area you can see this is 9,970, 10,912, 9,057, 2,555, 5,212, 15,000, 10,000, 15, 13,000. So less than 5,000 is only this particular information, this particular data. So if you want to give some color, you can select it from this area. Yellow color, it will highlight with yellow color. You can do custom format also. You can select from bold, you can give bold also. You can give border also. You can fill a color, for example, blue color. Okay, from here also you can do. So for example, blue color. Okay, so this area is highlighted. So I have entered a condition over here. Very clear to you all? So for example, now I will show if I want to set greater than 2550, then you can see all the info. Oh, I have not selected yet. I'll have to select the range first of all. So for example, I want to set greater than let me do 10,000. 10 not, let me give 13,500. So greater than 13,500. So this is 10, this area is not matching. In this area 15,000 is greater than 13,500. In this area only 15,000 is greater, because this is 13,223. So for example, red color, light red fill with dark red text. Okay, so this is highlighted. Okay, this is how we can do the highlighting between two range. For example, I will set here 3,000, between 3,000 and 6,000. So you can see between, before applying, let me see, between 3,000 and 6,000 only this value is there, 5,000. So yet I have not yet selected, that is why it is not showing. Select it. Remember, select it. Before doing anything, you will have to select it. Then only it will reflect in your data. So 3,000, and in the highest range I will select 6,000. So 3,000 and 6,000, let me give a color, another color, green. Only this area 5,212 is between 3,000 and 6,000. So okay, so you can see this is how we can apply formatting to our cell. So clear? So this is highlighting. Okay, next one is top bottom rule. So top 10 item, as there is only 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so no need to apply this formatting area. Top 10 item, top 10%, bottom 10 item, bottom 10%, above average, you can apply this also. It will show the portion. You can see the highest one is 15,684, so it is full coverage. So the bar is not complete. Here the bar is left out. Okay, so this is how we can apply. This is data bar. So you can do anything here. You can set color bar also, color scale like this also. Hmm? You can set in this way also. Then you can set from this also. So what is icon set? Icon set means it will check the value according to the mid range. So in this information you can find the mid range is, let's say, 10,912. These are the mid range, these arrow are the mid range. So these are less than the mid range and these are more than the mid range. 15,000, 15,608, 684, then 13,223. So these are above the mid range. So this is how we can do conditional formatting. Hope you all have understood how we can do conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means formatting by using some by defining some conditions. So thank you everyone, have a nice day. I will bring more class about conditional formatting also, and I will discuss other thing about Excel also. Okay, hope you have understood. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye. And if you have if you are really liking my class, please do not forget to subscribe. Please do not forget to like the video and also share with your friends, so that I can help everyone. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.